So today we're going to be talking about area and circumference. So here we have a circle, and the distance all the way across is 8 feet. So the first thing we're going to find is our area. And right here we have our formula that says area equals pi times radius to the second power. And so we're going to take that formula and we're going to plug in our information. So we know pi is 3.14 times our radius to the second power. Well, this right here is our diameter, which is 8 feet. So if our diameter is 8 feet, then our radius has to be half of that, which would be 4 feet, okay? So I'm gonna plug that into my equation, which would be 4 to the second power. Then, as we know, PEMDAS tells us that we do exponents before we multiply. So in this problem right here, I'm gonna do 4 squared, which is 4 to the second power, which means 4 times 4, which would give me 16. And then 16 times 3.14, then I will multiply that out. All right, so then I have 5,024, and I know I have 2 numbers to the right of my decimal. So I'm gonna come down and put 2 numbers to the right of your decimal in your answer. So your area would be 50 and 24 hundredths. Then I'll look at my units, would be feet to the second power. And that's how I would find my area. Then I'm going to find my circumference. In either of these formulas you can use. You can use C equals pi times the diameter, or C equals 2 times pi times your radius. Well, since I already have my diameter, I'm just gonna use that. So off to the side over here, I'm gonna use C equals pi times D. And again, I'm gonna plug in my numbers. Pi we know is 3.14 times the diameter, which is 8. I'm going to multiply that out. And again, I have 2 numbers to the right of my decimal. I'm going to come over twice. And so my circumference would be 25 and 12 hundredths. And my area is 50